What's up, YouTube? It's 392 horseplay. The reservoir coolant cover. Done in pitch black, which is the same color as my car, and toxic orange. That is the fuse box cover. And this is the, line these up. And that right there. Well, yeah, the light is on it. Well, let's do it like this. Get that light off of it. There we go. I'm impressed. I wanted to keep everything uniform with the black, since that's the color of under my hood, instead of going with the toxic orange. Just decided to keep everything uniform and then go with the secondary color as the toxic orange. We'll get these babies on and see what they look like. I was kind of swayed to do this. Been to a few car shows, and the last car show we went to, some of the club members went to, and just noticed my car was too plain. As a matter of fact, Fast Fitness Entertainment is one of my boys. We both realized our cars were too plain, you know. Matched up to some of the other guys that are in the club and that run with us. They got a little custom work done in the hood, and they were tending to pull in more awards, you know, because of that. So that was really my enthusiasm to start dressing up the engine bay a little bit. Alright, I'm about to install these 3 pieces from JLT. We'll start off with the we'll take the fuse box cover off. And install the ABS cover. Got to line it up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots, but you got to line it up with 2 of the slots in here with this piece and this extension, and I believe this goes underneath the lip under here. You line these two screws right here, line those up with this one and this one, and they have clamps that we'll use to secure the ABS cover right there. It's a little tricky. Get it in there. Here's the clamps that I were describing to you. I'm gonna cut these off because I don't need that. Now I'll go back with the fuse box cover. I'm gonna clean it off with some. Using LA's Totally Awesome. I pretty much use it on everything, you know, in the house. This is great stuff right here. Show you the reason why I cleaned that off. This fuse box cover, it's 4 pieces of 3M tape, and you're gonna stick those on top. You're gonna line it up, and you're going to press down on them. But I wanted to make sure that was clean so the tape would stick. Let me line it up first before I take the tape off. I'll press down firmly on each corner, since there's a piece of tape on each corner. hood latch release cable right here. I want to make sure I don't scratch this up. Work right there. Clean it off. It's got tape on it also. It's got the adhesive tape. Let's clean this off real good so we can get that adhesive to stick. Peel this tape off. Well, the protective plastic off the tape. Make sure I get this adhesive to stick. Make sure the box isn't rubbing up against this. And it's clear. It's gonna touch it a little bit. Once I start getting some heat under here from the engine running, this adhesive should stick better. I've got to get a cap for that. What we're looking like right now. I'm going to end up getting a cap for this, cap for that, and a few other parts that I can get the engine dressing underwell. That's what we're looking like right now. Get a few more pieces to match this cap, here. Sell a piece for this. I think I've seen a piece for this. I'll be getting the catch can, probably in a color to match that. I'll be getting the engine dipstick, the same color, and whatever other pieces I can find, you know, to mesh with this. Also, we'll be getting a strut bar. I'm gonna eventually have these painted. I'll have them painted black and the toxic orange to match that. And a few other things that I can play around with. I'll probably end up doing something with the strut covers. So, what we looking like right now, fellas? Not there yet, but I mean, I'll get it there. All right, until the next video, peace.